Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to reset your Apple ID password without using your old password. So if you have forgot your password and you want to reset it, uh, and you do not remember the previous password, so how you can reset your password. So if you want to do that, then you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So there are many methods to reset your password without using your old password. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have not saved the password here. So if you have saved the password in passwords app on your iPhone, then you can simply check for the password on your iPhone iOS 18. So after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the browser or Safari which you have. Here you have simply search for Apple ID login, and here you can simply search for Apple ID login, and after that what you have to do, you have simply click on your login account, and after that what you have to do, you have simply click on sign in, and here they will ask you to sign in with your account, and here you can also find forgot your password. Below is the sign in options, and after that they will ask you to provide your password, but after that if you click on I do not remember the password, then you can also find the many option. So if you have not saved the password, then there are option available that you can simply get your password changed by the two-factor authentication by using your phone number. So in this way you can simply change your password without using any old password. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.